Hello and welcome guys. My name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. If you are interested in this video, stay till the end. Let's jump into the video and delete your Instagram account. For deleting the Instagram account, first you have to open your Instagram. Then click on the profile icon to open your profile. Then click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then click on the setting and privacy. Then click on account center. Here you have to scroll down and click on personal details. Here you have to click on account ownership and control. Here you have to click on deactivation or deletion. Here you have to click on your account. Then select the delete account option and click on continue. Then give a reason why you are deleting your Instagram account. So choose any of your reason and click on continue. Then click on continue again. Here you have to enter your password to verify yourself. I am entering mine. After this, you have to click on delete account button. As you can see, the account has been deleted. That's how you delete your Instagram account. If this video helped you, please check out this playlist. This will also help you. That's it for today's video. It's me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.